Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to how to make this whirlpool in Minecraft 1.2.1. So let's do this. So it's trying, okay. Remind me later. Okay. Come on. Okay. Okay, we're going all the way down to the past. Onto 1.2.1. Let's do it. Go! Well, it's trying. I have to wait a little bit. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh my god. Hey, is there any bed? I need a bed. Where is it? No, there's no any bed. Anyways, let me sleep for a while, okay? Let's find a bed. Where is it? Where is it? Bed, 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 bed. Okay, there it is. Okay, I need to sleep for a while. Oop. Drop into the water. I'm going to sleep. And I'll see you in the morning. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me into bed. Okay. It's trying. What a beautiful day. I'm going to do some experiments. So this is how you make a whirlpool in Minecraft. So what you need to do is to make a block in the top, and then after that you have to crouch down and then make this pattern right here. Oops. Shouldn't do that. And okay, go back one more, and then another block, one block out, up, one block out, and right here. Come on. Right here, there, right here and there. I'm recording. So we put it here and here and here and here and here and here and oh my god, this is so terrible. Oh god. I'm testing my memory here. Oh my god. I'm testing my memory. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh guys, I'm testing my memory here. One block here and here and here. I think so. Here and let's go down a little bit. Okay, right up. That's not the right place. And then we have to put a block there. Another block here. Another block here. There. A block here. And a block there. Destroy this. And there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Make sure that is really properly designed. And then you have to fill up the empty spaces that we left. We're going down like this. Alright, this is what it looks like so far. The water physics in Minecraft is a little weird, so you cannot get a true whirlpool like this. See? Anyways, what you need to do is stand at the center pillar and dig your way all the way down to the bottom. How to do it in survival, because in creative, you have to make a shovel for this, and yeah. And then put here and here. Okay. Here, right there. And the second bit. You have to do it quickly before the water turns dark blue. Right here and here and here and here and here. Here. Alright, there's our whirlpool. Let's take a look. It's really interesting how it flows down. See? Up, I should have placed it there. Okay. Okay. Really cool. Let's try this again. Let's go. And you're like, oh no, that's a whirlpool. Ah! Oh god. And that's how you make a whirlpool. This, and again, this is XLDRP signing out. Bye.